I am playing CRK. If you did not see that, I gotta fix my Wi-Fi. I am recording from my tablet since my phone has my main CRK account. And well, I don't want to screen record muna. I mean right now. OMG, the cherry one will just wait. Look at the computer. Yep, look at the computer. And finally, okay. Well, I'm going to go to the OMG, bro. OMG, this is nice. Okay, like this. Okay, so Kingdom Toy. Let's. I got. Move. There's cookies everywhere, by the way. Hey. My gems, it's so low. Hold on, the camera. Finally. Let's see. Streamer luck, please. Not even a face. That makes me sad. Rebel cookie, girl. OMG, this is hard. This is hard. OMG, ow, my hand. My pants. Help, it was showing my pants. Anyways, I'm gonna add a random trend to this video. Huh? What just happened? I'm not trying to buy something. Okay, let's check out the cookies. I got Holy Berry finally. 2 Awakened Ancients and 2 Beasts. Hehe. Wait, where's my hand? Those are all the cookies I'm missing. Events, my favorite part. The events. No, not the tropical island thing. I want to go to the events. Okay, this is what. Oh no, 1 day left. And okay. This is hard. This is hard. So I'm going to just show you guys. OMG, oh no, my tablet. Help. Hello, focus. Focus! Finally. Now I'm gonna play the card matching. Sorry. Yeah. Wow, shows the faces. Oh no. Oh, I'm looking at it through my tablet. When it doesn't focus, it's basically my vision from far away. Okay. Yay! 1 minute and 26. I can't wait. password. One day left. Help, what did I just press? OMG. Never, help. Help. Okay, just, wait lang. Can it see my face? Okay, just, you can watch my, reaction. So basically, you can just watch me. Help, did I press anything? Nope. Still going. Then watch me play. Okay. Also guys, I have something to show you. I want to replace the Epic Cookie Candy Apple with Mystic Flowers. So wait, I'm gonna fight this. Random Trend Daddy 2. I'm gonna try removing this so that I can put something else. Yeah! Girl, I don't need to know someone gets. Bro, my team power. Where is that cookie? This. Anyways, I have Mystic Flower too. Okay, finally I wait. Oh no, bro. Why isn't it focusing? Help! OMG. I'm in page. Joke. I ain't saying words. Meow. I'm gonna put this back right here. It won't fall. Ooh, Beast Raid. My ranking is 535. Thingy 535 535,003 or 535,003. Oop. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Also, I'm going to talk about TTI in the next video, which is gonna come out right after this one. I'm buying cookie cutters. Star jelly! Sorry. I just need star jelly. Cookie cutter time! Okay, I have two magic cookie cutters and two special ones. I mean 3. Help! No, I don't want avocado cookie. Wait, is that her name? I have no clue. I got muscle cookie. 2 Black Forest cookie. Yeah. Still gacha. Meh. Avocado cookie, those tons. And then Pavlova wizard cookie. That's worse than still gacha. I don't even have the magic fork. I don't have the magic fork. I got another cookie cutter. Avocado again. Okay. 1 pulls are randomly lucky for me more than 10 pulls. I don't know why. 1 pull! Gacha history time! I actually got Mystic Flower Cookie on Gacha of Fate 1 pull. On a 1 pull. And then I also got Shadow Milk from the Cookie Gacha on a 1 pull. I'm so lucky that even 1 pulls are lucky for me. Okay, right here. Perfect spot. Help, it's not focusing. Let's open the gacha history. Woohoo! Sorry. That's all. Hehehe, sorry. Oh, bro, my tablet wasn't going. 3 daily rewards. Bro, I don't have materials. I'm not gonna do Pavilion of Promise. I have 13 Frost Queen Cookie Soulstones, 13 Burning Spice, 9 Eternal Sugar Cookie, 16 Stormbringer, 19 Camellia Cookie, and 16 Clotted Cream Cookie. Just give me Camellia Cookie, CRK. Just give me. Sorry. This. Okay, I'm cooked. I'm fighting a literal Frost Queen Cookie and a Icicle Yeti Cookie, and the Frost Queen Cookie have Crystal Jam. I know, I'm cooked. I am literally cooked. How did I just win? I just won. I can't believe it. Okay, next I'm going to fight a team with level 80 Burning Spice, level 60 Unascended 1-star Moonlight, level 60 Wind Archer, and level 60 Black Sapphire, and then there's a mystery cookie hiding. Well, that's Eternal Sugar Cookie. I'm cooked. No, I'm literally cooked. Okay, I'm cooked. Well, how is my well, White Lily Cookie is gone. No. Oh no, Pure Vanilla, Candy Apple, and White Lily is gone. No, Shadow Milk Cookie is carrying the team. Woo! I won. Only Shadow Milk Cookie is alive though. Only my Shadow Milk Cookie lives. I'm gonna fight a 3000 power team which has level 80 I think max us, which you know what, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna show it. I'm cooked honestly for this one. I'm gonna fight this. I'm cooked. I am actually cooked. I believe. I know I'm gonna lose. Okay. Oh, it's gotta be. Huh? Shadow Milk Cookie is carrying again the team. I'm cooked. Truth will out! I got defeated. Fun fact. Inside of the teaser for Holyberry Awakened, randomly in like the screen where you press to enter the game, Shadow Milk Cookie is randomly there, but in girl form. I don't know why. Well, I'm fighting another team where I'm gonna be cooked if I decide to do it, and I decided to do it. How did I win, everyone? Vanilla Cookie? Vanilla and Shadow Milk. City Vanilli. And then another one where there is Awakened Vanilli, Awakened Cheese, which is 1-star Ascended, which is level 90. All the cookies I think are level 90. And there's a 2 Ascended Silly Vanilli and a 3, and it's all, and the Silly Vanilli is also 3 Ascended, and they're all level 90. Oop, I'm cooked. I think the Elder Fairy or the Wind Archer is the hidden one. What? They're destroying my team. I'm dead. Defeat! I just want a one pull. Bait teams! Well, Shadow. Well, there's 2 bait teams, so I have to do this. Oh, wait. Solo Shadow Milk with treasures. And let's see. Oh wow. Let's see how he will do. I'm fine. Help a shaky camera. My Shadow Milk cookie is so powerful. Help me, it's not focusing. This one is the next one. Wait lang. Focus! It ain't focusing. Sorry. Shine bright like a diamond! Sorry for blinding you guys. Here you go. Sorry making it dark. It was an accident. So this is what I'm fighting. Wait, let me see my win streak. Number 2. Okay. I'm gonna of course win. Truth! Well done! My voice. I can finally buy that cookie cutter I wanted. Instead of a soul stone, I want cookie cutter. I like cookie cutter. It give me chance to get cookie. No cookies. I have 3,698 mileage. I'm so sad they don't have little candy apple cookie soulstone in the mileage shop. Are you kidding me? They now put pudding a la mode cookie, and then I before used a chest to get her. When are they gonna add candy apple cookie soulstone too? Yay, I got 10 more arena tickets. I'm doing good. One parfait cookie soulstone is what I got. I am going to do also, if you guys want to know any overpowered expensive random packages, this is an expensive but overpowered package. It's in pesos, by the way. 1 day left. It's too expensive. Though I won't get it. But you guys should look. This is what it has. It's just recommendation too. I'm just recommending it. Also inside of here, bro, focus. Bro, it ain't focusing. Focus! Help, I was fighting my tablet case. Help! Bro, just focus on it. I'm literally using my chin and my knees to hold it. Burning spice cookie ito. Yung red. Okay, help, what happened? Anyways. It'd be clearer if I literally just use screen recorder. I have no clue why I'm doing this. I will also do a random team guide or just my kingdom or just a video of my kingdom later after this finally releases. Wait, what? Help! Why is there a base rate ticket, 5 tickets, and 1,000 gems in the shop? I could just wait one day to get that, bro. Before I loved the BCS so much that I only did BCS before I literally finished Crispy. It's something I did. Me no regret. Me no regret. Regret. The cheapest things inside of the shop is 49 pesos. That's less than $1 in US. Well, that is going to be it for today. Well, bye. There's gonna be another video. I have nothing I can do here, but bye.